You don't need a $1,000 camera, you don't need a $500 microphone, and you don't need to be very smart or very handsome. Now that you know the things you don't need to make a YouTube channel, let's talk about the things you do need to have to make a YouTube channel. YouTube is a wonderful thing because all you need is a smartphone, and this is an old S8, which is crazy. A smartphone, something to record your voice, and something to record your ugly mug. Or hopefully for you, you look a lot more handsome, more pretty than I do. Anyway, all you need is that little bit of equipment. So, $20 microphone from Walmart, which as long as it doesn't sound like a whirlwind of crap, it's good enough. And a webcam, the one I'm using right now is a $30 Logitech from Walmart that I bought on a whim to talk to someone online. No big deal. If you want to go more expensive, you can. As you'll hear on many YouTube channels, mine is no exception. This is what I started recording with. And that's all there is to it. As far as optional things that you can have to increase your YouTube channel recording quality factors, I'm going to do a little dance on the way there. As far as that goes, you can add some lighting, which, as you can see, my lighting has improved marginally because I bought a $20 lamp from Walmart with a flexible deal and an LED bulb. Crazy, I know. Now, this is a cheap gaming headset, no big deal. I'm got a microphone on the way, don't worry. And if I ever want, I can upgrade to a more expensive camera. Pretty simple. Do I need to right now? No. Am I making enough money to? Yes. But the thing I want you to understand about YouTube is that anyone can start it. You don't need a lot of money. If you work at a retail job like Walmart or wherever, you can probably afford in a month to buy the little bit of extras you need to start a good YouTube channel. What really matters is the quality of the content that you are giving. Are you giving people value? Are they learning things from you? Are you able to translate value from you to the computer so they can watch it? Your viewers, they can watch it and get that value and put it in action. If you can do that, you can develop a YouTube audience following. Simple as that. Now, what I want you to understand before you go out there and start making YouTube videos is that it takes a lot of work to get anywhere to where you think you might be providing that value. And even when you do think that, you probably aren't quite yet. It takes a lot of practice. Me, for example, I started about 2 months ago on YouTube, and my first videos sucked completely. It was just me sitting there rambling in my car about the business I was going to make. Well, that business failed. It happens. And then I started this one. Now, as far as that goes, you need to sit there and plan your videos. You need to know what you're going to talk about. You need to have a purpose. If you follow this playlist, you'll find a series of videos that describes a very simple branding plan for your YouTube channel. I'm giving that away free. If you are interested in taking your YouTube channel to the next level and, you know, gaining more viewers, uh, gaining subscribers, gaining actual things that you can use. Because once you start getting that YouTube train going, it takes a heck of a lot of effort to make it go in the beginning. But once you start getting it going and going and going, it just goes like a bat out of hell. It just keeps going without you trying. So, this has been what you need to do and not do for starting a YouTube channel, and what you need and don't need. Please take my advice. If you liked this video, check out the playlist that will be probably in the middle of your screen where my ugly head is. And check out the related videos. I want you to learn something, put it into action, and do something today. Don't wait.